can just see once again. So this is how our flowers will be looking, okay kids? So everyone can just try making these flowers using the U letters, okay? So this is the simplest way to make flowers, okay? So everyone just try making these flowers, and as you will be finishing it, you can upload your artworks in the Yellow Class portal, okay kids? Okay everyone, so thank you so much kids once again for joining me for today's session. I will be seeing you all in the next DIY session, okay kids? So bye kids, bye everyone.